Hi, welcome to HK Reach. In earlier sessions, we learned about that how to register, how to connect with WhatsApp, and how we can create the templates. And this time, we will learn about how to create a campaign and we can send in a bulk to our customers about your offers and whatever we need to. So let's get started. So here is the option to create a campaign. And here you can see that I've already tried with the multiple, and here is the history we can see for each one. So let's get to create a new one from here. Click here. Here we need to create a one name, say of demo one, for example. Click on create a CSV file. We need to select. So here I have already created one of the demo context CSV file. Let me show that what I have into it. So here we can see there is a one column I created with the phone number and having the phone number. And all phone number must be start with our country prefix. Say for example in India we put like a +91. And in case if we have the parametric, say for example we want to send it to some parameters or templates except in 1, 2, and 3 for example, and respectively for we can say like name and sub-second name and so on. So this is how we can put together all together. So whenever we are sending the message to this specific name, this specific mobile number, the Ashish and the Patel will be used as a parameter 1 and 2, and the template will be changed accordingly when we are sending it. But in my case, this is the one parameter I have, no parameter I have, so only the phone number I needed to. Let me go back, and this template, whatever I'm trying to send with, for example, I'm selecting the template is 50% off, which is required one banner on the header. So let me select this one. So this is how it is, and here as soon as we click on the start campaign, it will get started. So let me click on this. Okay, here we can see it gets created, and now here we are on the detail page where we can see it's pending. It gives us for a few seconds to ensure that if in case if we want to miss something and we would like to cancel. However, in the progress also we can do that, but automatically without refreshing, it will start processing, and here its status will keep showing the updated one. So for example, right now pending, and yes, it's changed to processing. As soon as it's processing, so it will start sending the messages one by one and start getting processed and so on. And once whatever are processed, meaning these messages are sent to the Meta, I mean Facebook or WhatsApp account. So they will be checking and they will be processing it. Okay, now here we can see these are the two are sent and one are failed one. So let me see what is failed one first one. So here it says failed one. Let me click on this to see why it's a failed one. So as soon as we open here it says it's a fail, which is okay, and when we scroll down here it says. So here it says that it's an ecosystem, means they are just maintaining the not spamming platform. So they are controlling that how much messages to be sent to the particular customer or a number. There are some certain algorithms that the Facebook Meta has, and accordingly it might be failing. So nothing to worry about this one. In case if it is failed, you can try again maybe in our next after 24 hours. And in case of a sent, so earlier we saw that there were two were sent, and now after some time it's changed to the delivered. That means one of them is delivered, and this is already sent, but it's not yet delivered to the actual person. And this one, if you look into this, this is the one this has been sent and this has been delivered to the actual user. So when we click on this at the bottom here, we can see this has been sent, and this is when it was delivered basically. Okay, so this is something by mistake in Europe, we can close this out. So okay, so here I can see the one of the delivered one, and also it's marked as read, so that person has already read through that specific one. Which one was that? I just took the screenshot from my mobile number and I forwarded here. So here it is, and this is how the message was received along with the banner, and this was the actual message, and into the that specific number. Basically that is how our message will be delivered, and it was read through. So as soon as this was read through, here it shows that it's been read one, and according to that, this is the main campaign. It's showing that how we are making the progress on. So overall, out of 3, the 2 were sent, and so 1 is failed. So accordingly, it shows that 33% is our success ratio. Ideally, based on the delivered or the read one, basically they are counting with. So still 1 is pending. So as soon as it's delivered, it will be also increased to 1. So this is how we can simply make the campaign, and how we can read through and design it. And also we have option to download in case if you want to. We can download the entire campaign details into the CSV file. I hope you enjoyed the one. Thank you.